I am become Rainbow Destroyer of server performance. Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Particles, and I bet you're wondering how. Let me tell you a story. So, it all started when I decided to research for upcoming command videos. I wanted to do something cool with particles, so I fell into a rabbit hole of doing different searches on Planet Minecraft. And I discovered this guy in South Korea, CommandExpertGreenDoctor. He posted this video that day. His work is absolutely incredible. He's also got a data pack that adds powers from Demon Slayer. Seriously, go out and check the links in the description. So how are these incredible particles being done? Well, I downloaded his datapacks and I started digging. When I opened the command section and looked through the particle functions, I saw this, rows and rows of commands. I write code. I knew this isn't human. Code did this. So I scrolled up and I saw this. The files are being made by Chemo431's particle converter. And there's a GitHub link. Well, sign me up. Wait a second, it's all in Japanese. Well, good thing I know a little. So I got the download and I had to install .NET Core 3.1 for it to work. But it works like a charm. So introducing Chemo431's particle converter. It'll convert each pixel into a particle, and all you have to do is select an image, preview, and change it to look right, and then click export. It'll make a function folder for a data pack. Paste the file inside your data pack function folder, then run the reload command, and you've got another cool trick. So let's look at the tricks I've come up with so far. So right here, I wanted to actually get it working, and it's that you can put any image into Minecraft. Each one is going to be a pixel, so you want to scale the image down to be the right size for you. But I just try to put a rainbow in, and it works. And you just do function, and then whatever the function is, the name of the file, and it will actually work. And so now you've got a rainbow in Minecraft. And I can put it wherever I want if I wanted to move it around using more advanced commands. So the reason you might want to move it around is right here. I've got this, if you've ever watched Full Metal Alchemist. I thought it'd be awesome to put this symbol over top of somebody. And so the problem is, if you don't have it where you want it, it will cut into blocks or it'll be in a dumb place. And so you need to move it around. And so I started playing with moving things around. And so you might notice when I turn this on that I have laser eyes. Ah! So notice what's happening here is I can actually have the facing be part of the command. And so when I open this command block, you're going to see that we have execute as anchored eyes. And so by doing that and then running it, I'll be able to make it so that it is at S, which is set to my eye level. And so I'll be able to make things come out of my eyes or put things on my head. And so that's actually really useful. So the next thing I was able to do is over here, you might notice if I flip this on, that the sun is now a big creeper. So I've made this right here using a marker. And so if you want to check out my videos on markers, I'll put a link to it. But what I've done is I've made it so this goes wherever there's a marker, and that marker will look wherever I look too. So if I take this entity, I gave the marker a tag called creeper. And so if I go teleport at E, tag equals creeper to me, now it's here. And I can move it over here. And I can move it over here. So watch my video on markers to get a little understanding for that. But it's really awesome. Now I can move that around wherever I please. That's oddly creepy, though, to have a creeper up there just looking down at me like that. So I figured we would start putting on other entities. So what happens if I flip this lever? Well, what is that? Well, we pop down into the water. Oh, look, it's moving around. You might notice it's coming out of the squid. And so with this command, all I'm doing is running, oh, wrong one, it's this one over here. All I am is running that squid line function that creates that image over top of wherever there's a squid. And I just made this one, I think it's actually 3 pixels, but this one high pillar of blue. And now we've got pillars of blue wherever there's squid. So you can look out, and we know there's some squid down there. But I don't know how else I could use this, but comment below if you have some special ideas. Because I think being able to put markers on players or entities to make them visible and not able to hide would actually be a fun thing to do. So finally, I have this command where I just took a screenshot of myself and cut myself out in an image. And now I've literally got myself. Isn't that crazy? There's so much you can do with these commands. And so if this was helpful to you and you'd like it and you want to learn how to do it, my advice, subscribe to my channel. Like how I did that. So easy to do. I'm looking for more subscribers. I'm trying to help learn. I'm going to be doing more projects for these in the future. And I'd love to have you along for the ride. So here's some videos, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.